In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share links to a OneNote notebook, page, paragraph. Sharing specific content in OneNote is a powerful way to collaborate and guide others directly to the exact information they need. Whether you're pointing someone to a single paragraph, an entire page, or a full notebook, OneNote makes this process simple and efficient once you know where to look. To get started, open your OneNote application and access the notebook you want to work with. Allow everything to fully load so that all your sections and pages are clearly visible. Once your notebook is ready, you can begin creating shareable links. It's important to understand that the method for sharing links is very similar across different levels of content. Whether it's a paragraph, a page, or a notebook, the process follows the same basic idea, with only slight differences depending on what you want to share. First, if you want to share a link to a specific paragraph, navigate to the exact text you want others to see. This could be a sentence, a list, or any portion of your notes. Click and drag your cursor to highlight that paragraph. Once it is selected, right-click on the highlighted text to open the menu of options. From there, choose the option to copy the link to that paragraph. This will instantly save a direct link to your clipboard, allowing anyone with access to jump straight to that exact part of your notes. Next, if you want to share a broader set of content, such as a section, look over to the navigation panel where your notebook structure is displayed. Find the section you want to share, then right-click on its name. When the menu appears, select the option to copy the link to that section. This is especially useful when you want to share multiple related pages at once. Finally, sharing an entire notebook follows the same approach. In the navigation panel, locate the name of your notebook and right-click on it. From the menu, choose the option to copy the link to the notebook. This will generate a link that provides access to all of the content within that notebook, making it ideal for collaboration or sharing complete collections of notes. And that's all there is to it. You can now quickly and easily share links to specific parts or entire collections within OneNote, helping others find exactly what they need without confusion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.